Welcome to our roundup of the best auto-darkening welding helmets. Whether you're a professional welder, a workshop enthusiast, or someone who values safety and precision, choosing the right welding helmet can make a huge difference in both comfort and performance. We've selected top-rated helmets that combine advanced lens technology, wide viewing areas, and reliable protection to give you the best possible welding experience. In this video, we'll break down key features like optical clarity, reaction time, viewing size, comfort, and durability so you can confidently pick the right helmet for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect welding helmet for you. The first on the list is the Ark Captain helmet. The Ark Captain welding helmet is designed for welders who want enhanced visibility and reliable protection during long sessions. Featuring large viewing area, true color technology, and fast auto-darkening, this helmet immediately stands out in its category. The expansive viewing screen gives you a broader perspective of your work area, reducing the need to constantly adjust your position. With true color technology, you see more natural colors instead of the typical green tint, which helps improve accuracy and reduce eye strain over time. Performance-wise, this helmet delivers consistent results. The auto-darkening filter reacts quickly to arc light, ensuring your eyes are protected the moment welding begins. With multiple shade settings and sensitivity controls, it adapts well to different welding types, whether you're working on MIG, TIG, or stick welding. The clarity of the lens ensures that even fine details are visible, making it easier to achieve clean, precise welds. Comfort is another strong advantage. The lightweight design and adjustable headgear make it easy to wear for extended periods without fatigue. It also features solar-powered assistance combined with battery backup, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Durability is solid with a sturdy, high-impact resistant shell that can handle demanding environments. Overall, the Ark Captain helmet is a great choice for those who want a balance of visibility, comfort, and dependable performance at a competitive level. Next up is the MIG-Van helmet. The MIG-Van welding helmet offers a reliable and affordable solution for welders who need essential features without overspending. It comes equipped with auto-darkening lens, wide shade range, and lightweight design, making it a practical choice for both beginners and experienced users. The lens automatically adjusts to varying light conditions, protecting your eyes without requiring manual intervention. In terms of performance, the MIG-Van helmet does a solid job across different welding processes. It supports multiple shade levels, allowing you to customize the darkness based on your task. The reaction time is fast enough to prevent eye strain, and the viewing clarity ensures you can maintain control over your work. While it may not offer premium-level optics, it still delivers dependable visibility for everyday use. Overall, the MIG-Van helmet is an excellent budget-friendly option that covers all the basics while still offering reliable protection and usability. Next, the Jackson Insight helmet. The Jackson Safety Insight welding helmet is known for its professional-grade clarity and trusted performance. It features high optical clarity, variable shade control, and durable construction, making it a favorite among serious welders. The optical quality is one of its biggest strengths, providing a clear and accurate view that helps improve precision and reduce errors. This helmet performs exceptionally well in demanding conditions. The auto-darkening filter responds quickly and consistently, ensuring your eyes are always protected. The variable shade settings allow you to fine-tune the lens for different welding processes, giving you greater flexibility. Whether you're working on detailed TIG welding or heavier fabrication, this helmet adapts smoothly. Comfort and ergonomics are well thought out. The headgear is adjustable and balanced, reducing pressure points during extended use. It fits securely without feeling too tight, which is important when maintaining focus during intricate tasks. The design is compact yet effective, offering a good field of vision without adding unnecessary bulk. In terms of durability, Jackson Safety is known for building tough equipment, and this helmet lives up to that reputation. The shell is designed to withstand harsh workshop conditions, making it a reliable long-term investment. Overall, the Jackson Insight helmet is ideal for professionals who prioritize clarity, precision, and long-lasting durability in their welding gear. Next, the Welder helmet. The Welder welding helmet delivers impressive features at a price point that makes it highly appealing to a wide range of users. It stands out with large viewing screen, true color view, and adjustable sensitivity, offering a well-rounded package for both hobbyists and professionals. The large viewing area improves visibility, while the true color lens enhances detail recognition and reduces eye strain. Performance is where this helmet really shines. The auto-darkening function is fast and reliable, ensuring immediate protection from arc flashes. It supports a wide range of shade settings, allowing it to handle different welding tasks with ease. The adjustable sensitivity and delay controls provide additional customization, giving you better control over your welding environment. Comfort is another highlight. The helmet is lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it comfortable for extended use. The headgear is adjustable and secure, ensuring it stays in place even during movement. It also includes solar-powered functionality, which helps extend battery life and improve efficiency. Durability is solid, with a strong outer shell that can withstand regular wear and tear. It may not be as rugged as some premium models, but it holds up well for most applications. Overall, the Welder helmet offers excellent value with advanced features, making it a smart choice for those who want performance and affordability in one package. The last one on our list is the Lincoln Viking 3350. The Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 is a top-tier welding helmet designed for professionals who demand the best in visibility, comfort, and performance. It features 4C lens technology, extra-large viewing area, and superior comfort design, setting a high standard in the industry. The 4C lens provides true color clarity with enhanced contrast, allowing you to see every detail with incredible precision. Performance-wise, this helmet is exceptional. The auto-darkening filter reacts almost instantly, providing maximum eye protection. The lens offers a wide shade range and consistent brightness levels, making it suitable for all types of welding. The large viewing area improves awareness and reduces the need for repositioning, increasing overall efficiency. Comfort is where the Viking 3350 truly excels. It features a well-balanced design with premium headgear that distributes weight evenly during long work sessions. The interior padding is soft and supportive, making it one of the most comfortable helmets available. Durability is also top-notch. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand heavy-duty use in demanding environments. It's a helmet you can rely on for years of consistent performance. So that's it for the best auto-darkening welding helmets. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.